This one says, which expression has the same value as the value of the 3 in this number? 7,259,384. So again, we break it down. We know that that 3 in the hundreds place has a value of 300. So which of those expressions will give us 300? So I've made in our chart the 30 times 10, the 300 times 10, 3,000 times 10, and 30,000 times 10. So these are all, we're going to do all of these times 10. So we know when it's 30 times 10 and we're multiplying, we're going to go to the right. So 30 will go over to the hundreds place, the 300 will go over to the thousands place, the 3,000 will go over to the 10,000s place, and the 30,000 will go over to the 100,000s place. So which of those equals 300 after we multiplied? You're right. 30 times 10 will give us 300. So our expression 30 times 10 is equal to, or has the same value as, the 3 in that number.